Baby Table Horizontal Wall-Mounted White by TC Bunny is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Safe solutions with best-in-class durability and convenience designed for commercial environments, the TC Bunny Commercial Baby Changing Station provides a safe, durable solution for any and all baby changing needs. Created from high-density polypropylene, the changing table does not absorb moisture, prohibiting the spread of germs with antimicrobial protection. The smooth surface makes the changing station easy to clean. Featuring easy-to-reach hooks, as well as a built-in shelf and liner storage, the station is both sturdy and convenient to use. Available in horizontal and vertical orientations, the baby changing station meets all global safety standards, including N, ADA and ASTM. Safe and hygienic. Special HDPE made, high-density polypropylene. Body has excellent chemical resistance, and does not absorb moisture, preventing spread of bacteria and germs. Secure and convenient. Curved changing surface with smooth corners, and high boards and safety straps keep child secure. Built-in hooks free caregivers' hands. Safe and hygienic. Special HDPE made, high-density polypropylene. Body has excellent chemical resistance, and does not absorb moisture, preventing spread of bacteria and germs. Ergonomic and easy to use. Unique space-saving design make it suitable for installation in all commercial environments. Meets ASTM, ADA, FDA, and N safety standards. Keeps things clean and organized. Built-in shelf with 2 accessory holders keeps all necessary items safely out of a child's reach. Features smooth surface with large corners for easier cleaning. Dimensions, 4-inch height by 33 4-inch length by 21 2-inch width, when closed. Requires assembly. Instructions and hardware are coming with the complete set.